Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're dealing with a Canon device flashing error code 1412, you're in the right place. This pesky error can halt your printing or scanning in its tracks, but don't panic. I'm here to break it down step by step. In this video, we'll cover what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is error code 1412? In Canon printers, this code typically signals an issue with the ink delivery system. It often means there's a problem with the ink cartridges, like they're not being recognized properly or there's a blockage. This could affect models from the Pixma series to more advanced office printers, and it's something that pops up in 2025's updated firmware just as it did in previous years. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons include low or empty ink levels, a faulty or incompatible cartridge, poor connections between the cartridge and the printer, or even a clogged print head. Sometimes, it's as simple as dust or debris getting in the way, especially if you haven't cleaned your printer in a while. Environmental factors, like operating in a humid room, can also play a role, so keep that in mind. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by turning off your Canon device and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This basic reset often works wonders. Next, open the cartridge compartment and carefully remove the ink cartridges. Check for any visible damage, like cracks or dried ink, and gently wipe the contacts with a lint-free cloth. Make sure to reseat them securely. Click them in until you hear that satisfying snap. If that doesn't do the trick, head to your printer's settings menu on your computer or the device's control panel. Run a nozzle check or print head cleaning utility, which is usually found in the maintenance section. This can clear blockages and recalibrate the system. Oh, and double check that you're using genuine Canon cartridges. Third-party ones might cause compatibility issues. If you're still seeing the error after these steps, it might be time to update your printer's firmware or drivers from Canon's official website. And if all else fails, contact Canon support. They're great at handling hardware problems. There you have it. By following these tips, you should be back to printing in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.